Hey everybody, I am excited to share a little hack, I guess. I asked on Facebook what people were using to clean their stencils, ones that have gunk left on them. I am very lazy and do not clean my stencils. Maybe I give them a little wipe down here and there after a project, but for the most part, I'm very lazy. And yes, I could leave a bucket of water next to me, but I don't think of that. I'm crafting constantly, and I do not think of getting a bucket of water every single time. So I'm left with all of these stencils, and as you could see, they are very well loved. And these are honestly the better ones, like the ones that weren't even that bad. I had already cleaned the really bad ones that I was almost going to just toss and replace. And then I thought, I'm tired of replacing my stencils. I'd rather spend my money somewhere else. So I had asked on Facebook, and my good crafty friend Dana, she recommended this product called Crud Cutter. No, this is not sponsored or anything like that. I am just sharing this product with you guys because I found that it works, and it works so wonderfully that I had to do a quick video for you guys to let you guys know. I found mine at Walmart. You can find it at Amazon. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to get it on Amazon, or I'm sure a hardware store or somewhere you can find it as well. So I'm going to share the process of what I did. And if you like this type of video where I share these kinds of tips and tricks with you guys, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions on how to clean something or how I store something or whatever the case may be. I would love to try and answer those for you guys. So as you saw, I drenched the stencils with the Crud Cutter. Then I was showing you that initially you can kind of scrape some of it off, but it's easier if you let it soak. But what I did was I got this scrubber, and it has like really hard bristles on it. I'm not exactly sure where I purchased it, but I show it, I think, closer up soon. And just in case you want to find one that is similar, it helps get in all of those all of the little areas and get all of the gunk, like the paste out, because I use a lot of paper paste, which tends to be really tough to get off the stencils. This stencil had just the Dina Wakley gloss spray on it, so it got clean really easily, so I didn't even need to soak that one. And you really don't even need to give the stencils an initial like scrub, but I just thought I would lift up any loose paste that was, lifting up just from the spray, and then I would soak it all in the water and the spray over, it was about 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours has passed, and I rinsed off all of my stencils and put them in clean water. Now I put on some gloves. The spray it's not toxic or anything, and it does not have a smell. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. I'm sure I'm going to get lots of questions. I don't smell it. It doesn't have any harsh smells or anything like that. But I was wearing gloves because it made my hands really soft, and I didn't like that. I don't know, it's weird. But anyway, so this is clean water, and I'm just scrubbing away, scraping away. I found with the more intricate stencils like this one that the scrub was better than using the palette knife. The palette knife easily got under a lot of that intricate stencil work, and it would ruin the stencil, so you definitely do not want that. So after a lot of scrubbing, here are some of the clean stencils. I didn't want to bore you with all of them, but I'm just showing you how clean they got, and I am absolutely in love with this spray. Hopefully I will be good and clean them. Probably not, but I can hope. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I hope that you find me on social media so that we can connect over there as well. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!